Hello everyone, I'm Professor Daniel De Luca, Professor of Neonatology at Paris-Saclay University, one of the biggest NICUs in Europe, and Division Chief here at the Antoine Béclère Hospital in Paris. I would say that I'm working with Radiometer since 20 years. I am very apt to use all the Radiometer solutions like the ABL blood gas analyzer, all the TCM transcutaneous monitoring tools, and the safe clean tubes because they're reliable. They are very accurate. They are very close to, let's say, the NICU beds. And as a general rule, we try to be as less invasive as possible. So the really point-of-care solution that can be installed over there and used very, very quickly. So they basically fulfill all the needs that we want to have from, let's say, the point-of-care point of view. We use the transcutaneous monitoring almost every day with the aim of tailored ventilation, check how is the general situation of the baby and trying to spare as much as possible the blood. The most important thing, that the one that I like the most with TCM5, is really the suitability, is really the ease of use. The ABL 90 Flex Plus is a machine that is actually measuring a lot of parameters. The ABL is giving us a lot of other information that are extremely valuable. For example, the bilirubin. And then all the other analytes, like all the electrolytes, for example, the hemoglobin, that are checked many, many times per day and can significantly impact on the therapies decided in the NICU. We can do that without doing a very big blood sample involving the hospital laboratory and taking a lot of time. This is pivotal for this reason. So there's a bunch of things that can be measured, and so ABL is not just the blood gas. The plastic, very short, safe, clean capillary tube in the NICU are just fantastic. I've been using that since quite many years. They're so small, they're soft, so there is just a micro amount of blood used to get all these analyzers I just mentioned. They're soft, so there's no risk to get injured. They're very easy to be used. They're really, really suitable. The question of pain is an important question, particularly in preterm babies, but it's also a very complex one. If it's true that the pain is negatively affecting the preterm brain development, it's also true that, unfortunately, we need values in order to titrate the ventilation and the therapies. And this is where a wise doctor can actually use both solutions, like the transcutaneous device, which is totally non-invasive, and sometimes, when you need a little bit more than the blood gas, or when the baby is actually very sick, you go for the blood gas analysis. Radiometer has always been supportive. People from Radiometer have been always very happy to help and very happy to use Radiometer solutions.